When someone takes their life, the world doesn't stop. It's the part no one tells you. The next morning, the same sun still climbs the same sky. Phones still ring. Someone sees your name light up on theirs, not knowing they're already too late. Your bed stays unmade. Your shirt still hangs over the chair, waiting for a body that isn't coming back. Your mother still knocks before remembering that she doesn't need to anymore, and she falls to her knees in the hallway. Your best friend scrolls through the messages, looking for the clue they missed. The day after, the sun will rise with no idea what it's done. The sky will blush the same soft blue, unaware it's shining on a world missing you. The day after, your phone will still light up. Someone will still type your name with the shaking hands, still hoping you'll answer, still whisper, "Come on, mate, pick up." Bed will stay unmade, but your mother won't. She'll crumble in the hallway, whispering your name to the floor, trying to bargain with a god she stopped believing in years ago. Your best friend will open your messages, reading and rereading, searching for the moment where forever started ticking down. The world will keep moving like it always does. Traffic lights charging, kettles boiling, buses hissing to a stop. And that will be the worst part, how normal it all looks, how wrong it feels that life just continues. But there's another version of the day after, the one where you stay. The day after you almost left could be the day that you finally tell someone the truth, the day you stop pretending that you're fine, the day you cry without apology, the day you breathe again and actually feel it. The day after could be the start of your rebellion against the darkness that's been trying to convince you it wins. One day, the weight on your chest becomes lighter, not gone, but light enough to let a laugh escape, light enough for music to sound like more than just noise, light enough to remember what it feels like to be alive, not just existing. You don't need a grand reason to stay. Stay for the small ones. Stay for the sound of rain on your window. Stay for the way the streetlight hits the puddles at 2 a.m. Stay because someone hasn't met you yet, and when they do, they'll need you. Stay because the story isn't finished until you say it is. The day after you almost gave up can still be the day you began again, the day you lived, not because it was easy, but because you chose to. Please, let tomorrow be the day after you survived, and the world, for once, will have something truly extraordinary to move forward with.